Namaskar Internet, forgive the grumpy look, but my building is undergoing repairs. There are a couple of flats that are going on repairs. It's a war zone out here. Alright, let's get out of here, play the riding game on the Mumbai streets with Ashi and the Insta 360 camera. So just the other day, my friend Abhay loaned me his Insta 360 so that I could sort of experience it, try my hand on it and see if I'd want one for myself. Well, the one thing is clear, you can have a lot of fun with this camera. I mean, right now you're seeing the rear, now you're seeing the front view, and all of this is when I have not even bought the mandatory selfie stick as yet. And right now it's on my helmet mount, which is where I used to mount my GoPro and the DJI Action. And so maybe not the best of spots, I agree. So maybe I'll order myself, one of those selfie sticks to get a better idea of what all can be done. I'm going to look at more YouTube videos and where all this can be put. But in the meanwhile, enjoy this riding motorcycle video game vibe that you get every time you're riding out on Bombay streets. There are cars, there are auto rickshaws, there are cyclists, there are two-wheelers, there are pedestrians, there are hawkers, there are sellers, and there's these dividers which they've raised so that people don't jump over, which means even motorcyclists kind of get stuck there. And yeah, there's just chock-a-block. But let me tell you what, this is just a distance of about 3.6 kilometers, the distance between where I stay and where my studio is. And it takes me sometimes close to 30 to 40 minutes in a four-wheeler, sometimes even 45 minutes. But on the motorcycle, on an average, I take about 12 minutes. So that's a huge saving when it comes to time. And also it makes the commute fun. I mean, you're not really queuing up behind cars and you can sort of, get by between the spaces, overtake from any side that you want to, because everybody's anyways always on the right lane. There's no ways you can overtake anybody from the right. Yeah. Well, I just did overtake this guy from the right, but now I have to go left. Such is life. Okay, so let's try this mode which the Insta has. It's got the motion blur. You can speed up the shots and blur the motion. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, bam. Whoa, that's cool. I should have taken probably a longer clip to do that. I'll try it the next time around. Maybe I'll just keep it on from here right up to Chandigarh when I'm going up to the mountains. Yeah, that should work. Okay, time to take our spot in the basement. It keeps the bike away from all that bullshit. Now this is always an interesting spot for me. I have to take a sharp right turn, pretty much a full handlebar lock, and I always try to do it with my feet still on the pegs, just balancing through, get through the narrow space and come to an easy stop. And so here is the thing, you can practice the basic skills pretty much anywhere and everywhere on a daily basis. You don't need to be out there in an adventure park. I mean, riding in Bombay, that's an adventure. That is the adventure that I have with Ashi. I have to get me on a daily basis. ADV riding in Bombay. Well, even the audio quality of the Insta 360 1R is not that bad at all. Welcome to the studio. Good afternoon, Vishnu. Well, here it is, my studio, and this was just a short video of me trying to have some fun with the Insta 360 1R. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.